My package I got today is from AOK Foraging and Adventures, and I was excited to get this. I didn't know if they was even going to send me anything. I really love their channel, and Kentucky is famous for three things: bourbon, basketball, and bluegrass. So I'm going to give you a guess of what I sent them. But they sent me a package back, and I have got an awesome sticker on there, which is going to go on my kayak, and it says, "Thanks for the bottle. We appreciate you and all your support. Zach and Brenda." And that right there is pretty cool. And I got a shirt. Awesome. AOK Foraging Adventures, Zach and Brenda on YouTube. Get outdoors. And right there, that's too cool. Right there. So AOK Foraging Adventures, thank you guys so much. I'm going to leave a description and a link to get to their channel. Please check them out, because I know you're going to love it. Not only do they do foraging, they do camping, kayak, fishing, cooking, live shows. They are so much fun. Just get on there and watch them. You are absolutely positively going to enjoy their channel. I appreciate you guys for sending me a sticker and the shirt, and please check out AOK. Thank you guys. See ya.